Good morning friends, welcome back. Today is Monday morning and in this video I just wanted to share with you how my usual day goes. Especially Monday being a very busy day for me and how I like to schedule my YouTube work, the classes that I'm taking, the kids activities since it's officially summer vacation for them, and the day in general. So I hope you come along and let's get going. As I mentioned, since there's a lot going on today, I wanted to make sure that the cooking that I do today is minimal and very simple. So you will see all through this video very simple recipes that I try to make, and let's get started with breakfast, which is delicious but simple. So usually 9 o'clock in the morning on Mondays, I like to schedule my YouTube videos. So usually on the previous day, I upload the video, and on that particular day, I just make it public and try to respond to your comments as much as possible during the first half an hour. And then throughout the day, whenever I see your comments and read them, I do reply to them. But usually the first half an hour, I try to respond as soon as possible to all the comments. So that's the same time usually when the kids wake up.
Give me the best.
നീ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ട അഞ്ജലി?
Clean up here.
Okay, good job. Go clean up.
Even to the onions.
So once everyone is done with their breakfast, I like to load the dishwasher right away so that the sink is kind of clean. But I do have some vessels that is soaking up there. But what I'm trying to do these days is to prepare as less as possible, which is going to get over very quickly, which I'm sure. Even the chutney I prepare in very small quantities, as you saw, so that way there is no leftovers. So that's what we're doing. And then after loading up the dishwasher, I also clean up the pans. So this is cast iron tawa that I used for the dosa. I don't let it soak there, so I just wash it quickly and then put it on the stove and dry it off completely. Since many of you were asking about the cast iron, that is the best that I like to prepare my dosas as well as my chapatis in, because in comparison to the non-stick pans, I like to use the cast iron. So I'll leave the links if you want to check in the description box below. The large cast iron pan, that is one of the best varieties that I have found on Amazon. Taking care of it is very simple. Don't let it soak in the sink for a long time with the water coming in, because it's iron anyways. So for taking care of the iron pans, as some of you were asking me, just heat the pan up, and then when it's really hot, put a thin coating of oil on it and then let it make a film of oil on top of that. That is a good coating to have, so that you don't need to use much oil and it will not stick. Like the things will not stick onto the pan. So that's how I take care of my pans. Now it's around 10 o'clock and my usual classes that I said from IIN program, I have that classes coming up on Mondays. So every Monday I have new modules coming up, and so at around 9 o'clock the new module has come up, but it's 10 o'clock and I'm going to just log in and see what's going on there. So usually what I have done is I used to sit on that couch over there and kind of look at my classes. But then I realized that the position that I was in, it was really bad, and I just realized it because after sitting there for a long time, I used to feel so tired. So I felt that, you know, if you're just sitting on an upright position, that's the best position to do. So better if you're doing some work on the computer, don't try to take the laptop on your lap. Its name says it's supposed to be on lap, but it's better to use a table and chair and sit in a good position and start doing it, because otherwise you're going to get all sort of aches and pains. So I like to either sit here I think the kids are upstairs, so I will probably sit here because that's kind of a good quiet place to sit right now. So there's no specific place. I just kind of go with the flow and take any place that I can find which is quiet, and I like to work on my whatever work or studies or YouTube videos or anything like that. Since this video that I'm filming right now is currently on the go and the SD card that I'm filming in tries to get overfull, I will transfer those contents onto the laptop and then make a folder and try doing that side by side. But the major focus should be on my classes. So let's go there. So today's module was talking more about health coaching program and taking clients and all of that. So last weekend, as I had mentioned, I had my first coaching call. I was so excited. We are a group of 3 classmates actually, and was working for a client. And basically, she's a working mom and she has some issues with her weight after her pregnancy. So basically the issue that she has is she doesn't have enough time that she can dedicate for her weight loss. So we are working with her for a period of 6 months and trying to create a program that is very easy for her to follow. So I'm really excited, and now it's time. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. I'm getting ready to start preparing lunch. Very simple. And I'm doing it in the Instant Pot today so that we can do most of the things simultaneously. So with the Instant Pot, I don't know whether you use this as well, but I have seen most of my friends who don't like Instant Pots, who think that it's not that easy compared to the cooker. But Instant Pot is also very easy in my opinion. I feel like you can prepare so many things together in a very less amount of time. So this is the thing that goes inside the Instant Pot, and then you can prepare, you can steam your vegetables and you can do the rice and dal, everything together at the same time. So it's very easy, and let's prepare such a meal right now. Kids have been playing so well today. They are quietly playing upstairs while I got some time to finish my work. So let's give them a snack first. I got this from Costco the other day. It's really yummy.
Half an orange, Belgian chocolate, and what kind of cheese was it?
Baby Bell.
Yes, Baby Bell cheese. Thank you. Baby Bell cheese, Baby Bell cheese.
While that's going on, we're making the dry sabji. Kids love this simple one with carrots and peas, and this can be made in no time with the basic masalas. Since we have placed the dal for cooking, we'll make the seasoning too as well and add in some leafy veggies into it. We also love adding spinach to dal, and it's quick to make and does not need many ingredients to cook this. Now we can see that the dal, potato and the rice, everything is nicely cooked in just 12 minutes of time. And then kids enjoy the buttered small potatoes. So we'll just quickly fry it for them with some salt and some Italian seasoning. And for the dal, we'll just mix it up with the spinach seasoning that we prepared and simmer it. Meal was very simple and very easily prepared. I hope you try this combination now in one of your busy days. Evening, we are deciding to make a quick drive to see how the outside world looks like these days, and so thought we'll make a little snack for us before we go. And the kids wanted to have some tortilla chips then, so we'll make some guacamole to go with it. Anjali is a huge fan of guacamole and we are making this quite often these days. It's a weekday and still...
Yep. I was right. People are also thinking like us.
So we are trying to find a space where there is no crowd. Do you want to get down?
Anjali, we have two options. Get down here with a mask and walk down the trail, no one is there, or go to your school parking lot.
SCHOOL space PARKING space LOT.
Anjali, what is your choice, Anjali?
Oh, mine was school parking lot. Okay.
What do you want to do?
Go here. Do you want to fly the airplane? No. Okay.
So, what's your choice?
I have no choice.
Why?
Because both the kids have different choices. One wants to go to the school parking lot and one wants to go down this trail wearing the mask.
നമുക്ക് സ്കൂൾ പാർക്കിംഗ് ലോട്ടിൽ പോയാലോ?
No.
നോ? അപ്പോൾ ഏട്ടന് അത് ഫ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റും, അഞ്ജലിക്ക് വാക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും പറ്റും.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Me alone, right?
Alone അല്ല, അച്ഛനുണ്ട്. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mommy.
അമ്മയും വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
But make sure it's
Okay.
where you can see me and I can see you. Okay?
എന്നാ വാ, സ്കൂൾ പാർക്കിംഗ് ലോട്ടിൽ പോവാം.
Okay.
Okay.
The final decision is made. We are going to Adi's school parking lot where we might get some space.
It's better to be safe.
Then sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Anjali.
Thank you.
Name a fish. Nemo. I love you, Anjali.
In my hand.
Okay, so we are done with today's outing. Adi, did you enjoy?
Yup.
Anjali, did you enjoy?
Nope.
Ah!
Yes.
So this is the salad that I had bought from Costco the other day. And the dressing also comes along with it. Wash your hands, wash your hands. For dinner, we are having leftovers from lunch. And so I just made some rotis and we had the fresh salad to go on the side. And the dressing makes it very delicious even for the kids.
Water.
Yes. And yes, our sweet neighbor had shared some of her yummy homemade laddus, which will add on as a dessert to our dinner today. So we have 3 laddus.
And I know how to eat it equally.
All 4 of us should have.
Yeah, I know how to do it. Cut all 3 laddus into 1/4.
Yay!
Yeah, and my thing is, put all the 3 laddus and cut it in 4
Yes.
because there's 4 people.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up. If you're new here, I would love to have you all subscribe, and I will see you all in another video. Take care and bye-bye.